Good morning, world. We have a special segment for you today. It's November 25th, right?
The 8th? 28th?
25th. No, not the 28th. Oh, shoot.
27.
It's November 27th. And if you can't tell from my voice, we had a long night last night. But we were just eating and drinking wine.
We ate at ramen.
We got some ramen. Had a few bottles of wine with our friends. But today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And we are up. It's like 12. We just slept in.
Don't judge whatever I got going on. Everything will be washed properly. I'm just gonna get the starch out of these potatoes.
Basically, we are making a little American Thanksgiving meal for our European abroad friends. And we're just gonna give them a lick of what we do this week today. So, we got a lot to cook. We're cooking mac and cheese, sweet potato casserole. We're just having ham because turkey's a little difficult here. What else? Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. We probably need a real vegetable. We're gonna figure it out.
We're gonna see, and I'm gonna make some sweet tea because I know how to make that. But
Sweet tea.
we're making a list. What else, guys?
Milk.
We do need milk.
I have milk.
Enough milk?
Maybe we can buy another one.
What kind of milk is it?
It's the real stuff. It's not powdered.
Okay, good. What are they called? Empanadas?
Empanadas.
Okay. What kind did you get?
I got American chicken.
Okay.
It's, I know, basic, but American chicken and it's really good.
I
What'd
got
you
what?
get?
Ham on
Hamani queso.
So ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese. Cheers.
Okay, how do you eat it? You just bite into it?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
You like it,
Okay.
bro? Mm-hmm. It's good. Like crispy.
You know that? Oh, y'all got the empanadas?
Yes, they're
so
so good.
All right, everybody. We're going to the Mercadona, which is our grocery store.
Everybody stops for you at the...
Yep, everybody stops at crosswalks. We're excited. Getting our car. It looks like everybody's cooking today. Or maybe I'm just making it up. They leave their little, like, buggies. Look, look at that.
This grocery store is an upstairs.
We got all our groceries. Getting ready.
Sweet potato time.
Got our sweet tea boiling. Mashing up some salts, pecans.
Cleaning a lot of dishes.
Because we need more dishes. Okay, y'all, we got our Thanksgiving Day parade. New York City. This one's off. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, they're all wearing yellow.
Like trying to do it slowly.
Oh my gosh.
You ain't working?
And also not scrape the pan.
Love and labor. Alright.
Get it, get it, get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a lot going on here. A lot of cheese.
What? That's a lot.
We might have to do two. Wait, should we just do one? So much macaroni. I don't even know. But this is what the sauce looks like. I think it just needs to melt. Sweet potato!
Hey, quick sweet potato casserole. BTW.
Alright, we're seeing how this...
Alan. Thank
Thank God for this Thanksgiving meal.
Look at what we. I told Fallon, I said, we've got to open up a catering business. We can cook large quantities of food.
That's awesome.
No, well, it's just a lot of food. Right way to do it.
We're just doing it the same way.
The only thing that's right is my hands are clean and the potatoes clean and the knife's clean.
How do you usually do it?
Like I have a flat surface and I cut it. I don't do it like this at all.
Yeah. Sweet good stuff. Just go, Kirsten.
Clog your arteries. So.
Sam's cooking.
You should. She was very pretty. She was very. Oh, immediately.
Alright, little preview. Got all the wine, sweet tea. Looks great. Stop. Yes. Yes. That's really. Yeah. Cheers. So, okay, I'm gonna introduce my vlog to everybody. Okay. Or you tell my vlog who you are.
Like if you go to New York.
Hi, I'm Salma. I'm from the Netherlands. Holland. Hi, I'm Brittany. I'm also from the Netherlands.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Lola. I'm from France.
Ooh, okay.
Hi, I'm Maria. I'm from Venezuela.
Hi, I'm Kirsten.
They've seen you before.
Oh yeah, maybe you've seen me.
Hey, I'm the roommate. We have more people coming. Yes. But my friends just tried sweet tea, and they liked it.
Yeah.
They liked it. So.
She also vlogs.
So introduce yourself.
I'm Alexia. She's Marta. And I'm Lady. We're having our first Thanksgiving dinner.
Yes, girl. Enjoy.
Thank you. Some macaroni.
The stress is gone. The meat tastes good. That makes me so happy. I'm so happy.
Friendsgiving.
I think I want a middle piece.
Oh,
It's gone.
you need to try.
It's been on. Wait.
I had something new last night. And a pastry. There was displays and displays of the children and yeah. And I was like, I feel like I need to get some right there.
This is Lola from France, everyone.
Do I have to say something like to the students?
It don't matter. You can if you want to.
Can I say hi?
Yes.
Okay, so hi student, my name is Lola, I'm from France, I'm 20 years old and I'm having a nice moment with some girls from America, from Mississippi, and I want to reduce something in French. So here it is. L'avenir peut s'éveiller plus beau que le passé. And it's from George Sand. Bye!
And that's a wrap on Thanksgiving. We had a great day. It's 3 a.m. and we just cleaned everything up, all the dishes, all the tables, everything. So it was a great day. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm thankful for all my friends and family. Goodbye.